in this video we're going to look at the Metamodel of Ardoq. So on the left side here you have access to Metamodels, and you can have a look at the quick start Metamodel in that case, where you're going to see the different component types that you have within your repository. And if you click on one of those component types, you're going to see the completeness of the data in terms of references, which are also the reference you see on the big screen here, where you have the number here in parentheses, which correspond to the number of real references of that type that exist, in that case between person and application, for example. And here on the right, you see the completeness of both references, but also fields that you have on the component you clicked onto. Ardoq Metamodel is very flexible, so you can always add a workspace of the type you want with the component type that fits your needs, and you can also customize the fields that you see here and the references between